For us here at Snyder Environmental, safety is really important and really real.
We absolutely take safety very seriously. We've spent a whole bunch of time on teamwork and being sure that everybody's communicating well within the team. At its core, communication is paramount, and we have to have people that feel like they are empowered to stop a job for any reason at any time. We absolutely task people with doing that.
Our biggest concern is for the safety of the environment, the safety of our employees, and the safety of the other contractors on scene. If we come in and we do a proper abatement of the place before they start their work, there is no concern that they might cut into something that has asbestos-containing materials.
When they use us, they know they're going to get a team of experts that communicates well and is empowered to be sure that nobody gets hurt.